pack my snack with first go. I'm actually just cutting it right now. It's literally hard. Like, you need to cut it into apple slices for me because, like, I do not like my apples like eating it plain because, like, it gets like my hands all sticky and it gets like, oh, I don't like it. How's that video? Oh, I was actually watching Carter Kent. That video was over already, and I only put it on like 2 seconds ago, and it was not one of those like short ones. Those it's actual videos. Like what? I literally just hurt myself, and I got like this new hot brush. Oops. Nothing's broken there. I'm a safe person, so I won't do that. I've literally never cut apple slices before, so I'm scared. Ooh. I'm trying to fit like something else like free at the side because like it's Health Week soon, and literally it's World Book Day on the 6th, so I'm just having hopefully. That's been 1 minute. I have 3 minutes. Okay, good. So I have 2 more minutes left. But this is hard. Oh, see. Shut up, Jordan. Well, that was easy.
That's so unfair. Well, you can quit. You only have about 23 hours left. You want to just quit? No. Wait, you did leave one app open. No, I didn't. Yeah,
And Jordan, she's 15. Leave her alone.
How do I do this?
Girl.
Ooh, okay. I don't know how to see the apps. Which one? What did you just do? Nothing. You know what? Close the room in. No. See how she likes this? Wait, hold on. Guys. Why is it getting so small? Like this big. No, that's too much.
How is she overprotective when literally he put her in the tiniest bed room ever? Like,
Are you upset that you picked your phone over a bigger room? No, I can actually make this really comfortable.
Oh.
Sit right here and go to the one app that I have. I'm going to be watching Sailors from my
Oh no.
bedroom here, but
I literally almost told. I need to see if there's other fruit. If not, then I'm just gonna have like apples for my snack. I didn't find one of them, but I didn't find any like fruit. But I found like these little like one of those little donut things that you use.